Founded in 2007, 华启正邦 has stayed true to its original aspiration for more than 10 years. It has gradually become a leading one-stop service provider in the field of electronic welding and automatic assembly from manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. Up to now, it has provided quality service to hundreds of thousands of customers around the world. Are you still worried about the high pricing change? Are you still worried about low efficiency manual affixed? Are you still worried about the high cost equipment investment? Choose 华启正邦 machines. Everything becomes simple. ZBLY's rice printing machine is widely used in lighting, electrical appliances, automotive, intelligence equipment, and other industries. SMT solder paste and red glue printing. As an essential link in SMT production, the machine is simple to operate, accurate positioning, low cost, has been the preferred equipment for customers. The arm of ZBLY's rice printing machine is designed with double straight line sliding rail structure, and the high-quality aluminum plate is finished and formed in one body to ensure smooth and consistent printing. The printing table is made of aluminum with high-density honeycomb hole and equipped with multi-specification positioning needles, which can fully meet the needles of solder paste printing for single, double-sided and pre-fill shaped PCBs. Precision fine-tuning of the table to quality correct the printing position to ensure the printing accuracy. The telescopic cylinder double scraper effectively prevents the blade from damaging the steel mesh. PLC automatic control system can freely choose single or multiple printing, manual, semi-automatic, and other operation modes. The 7-inch full-color touchscreen is easy to operate and elegant in shape. 华启正邦 Industry Benchmark. You deserve to have.